Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. I am so excited to bring you this recipe today because it's something I've always loved right from the time I was a kid. And that is red velvet cupcakes with the frosting and all. Let me show you what they look like. The perfect red velvet cupcakes. Let me take a taste test and show you what it looks like from the inside. Oh my goodness gracious me. We're starting in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So we begin with 1/3 of a cup of coconut flour, 1/3 of a cup of a sweetener of your choice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it all a mix in your mixing bowl. 1 heaping tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. In that goes. Now I'm putting 1/2 teaspoon of red food coloring. You can use the drops or then the powder form. 4 large eggs. In it goes. Give it a good mix. Look at that beautiful color that's come through. Now I've added 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now I've got silicone molds and they're going to fill in 7 of these molds. You can also use cupcake liners, and it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for anywhere between just 20 to 22 minutes. And look at these beauties. Now I'm making the frosting. 3 to 4 tablespoons of full fat cream cheese softened, 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Give it a good mix, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of a sweetener. You can adjust the consistency as you like. Now out they pop out. My piping techniques are terrible, but I'm putting the frosting on top and a few of the crumbles that I've got left behind. Look at these beauties. Thanks for watching and do subscribe. See you soon. Bye then.